Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the game bar and opening it immediately. This gets you into the workflow without delay. Press Win+G to summon the overlay, and make sure the Xbox game bar toggle is on in Settings Gaming so features appear. Sign into your Microsoft account if you want cloud-synced clips and preferences. Once done, check the capture widget and audio mixer icons. They're your primary tools for recording, screenshotting, and adjusting app audio levels on the fly. Now you configure recording parameters and start capturing gameplay. Use the capture widget or press Win+Alt+R to begin a recording. You can toggle microphone capture live to narrate. Open the audio widget to balance game sound versus mic levels so your clips sound correct. For file size and clarity, go to Settings Captures and set resolution, frame rate, and video quality. Higher FPS gives smoother motion but larger files. Make sure to test a short clip to confirm visuals and audio are balanced before long sessions. To finish, stop the recording with Win+Alt+R or the capture widget. Your clip lands in video's /captures, so you can trim or review immediately. Use the Photos app or a lightweight editor to cut highlights, then share directly to social platforms or upload. If Game Bar doesn't appear or won't record, restart Windows Explorer, confirm Xbox Game Bar is allowed in background apps, and check Privacy Microphone for permissions. These quick fixes resolve most access and performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.